Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about brand new AirPods Pro 3, Apple's latest and best wireless earbuds. They look great, sound great, and come with awesome new features. So let's see what's new and if there's worth to upgrade. At first glance, the AirPods Pro 3 look pretty similar to the last model, but Apple has made few nice changes. The stem is little shorter, the case is smaller, they fit more comfortable in your ears and feel lighter too. Apple also added something called adaptive ear fit, which automatically adjusts the sound based on how the AirPods sit on your ears. So no matter how you wear them, the music always sounds clear and balanced. Now the sound quality is where things really got exciting. The AirPods 3 Pro have now new speakers, a better chip, which means deeper bass, clearer vocals, and an overall richer sound. It's like listening in HD. There's also a new adaptive audio mode that changes how much outside noise it blocks depending on where you are. If you are walking outside, it lets in some sound for safety, but if you are in a quiet place, it automatically switches to full noise cancelling. And yes, spatial audio is still here and even better. When you watch movies or play games, the sound feels like it's all around you, giving a truly immersive experience. Apple says the new noise cancellation is twice as powerful as before, and it really shows. It blocks out traffic, airplane noise, and all kinds of background sounds. But when you want to hear what's going on around you, the upgraded transparency mode makes voice and sounds feel supernatural, almost like you're not wearing earbuds at all. Battery life is better too. You can get up to 8 hours of listening time on one charge and up to 36 hours with the case. And yes, the case now has USB-C plus MagSafe charging and even reverse charging from your iPhone 15, so charging is easier than ever. The AirPods Pro 3 also come with some smart new features. There's Find My with precision finding, which helps you locate your earbuds or case quickly. There's also voice isolation mode that makes your voice sound clearer during calls and removes background noises. And with the new H2 Plus chip, everything connects faster and smoother, with less delay when watching videos and gaming. The AirPods Pro 3 costs around $299, which is a bit pricey, but you're getting a big upgrade in sound, comfort, and features. Overall, these are Apple's best earbuds yet. The sound is amazing, the noise cancellation is super strong, and the new features make them smarter than ever. So, what do you think? Would you buy the new AirPods Pro 3 or stick with your old pair? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.